GripAble. What's in the box? In each GripAble Pro and Home box, you will find everything you need to get started. You will find your GripAble device, a tablet in a foldable case, 2 charging cables, 1 charging plug, a wrist lanyard and 3 silicone straps. The GripAble app will be preloaded onto your tablet, located on the home screen. The 3 silicone straps can be used to assist with holding the GripAble device, whilst the lanyard can be attached to help prevent dropping. You will find more information within your quick setup guide to help get you going with some serious fun rehab. Setting up the GripAble device and app. Let's get started by charging your GripAble device and your tablet. You have charging cables for both of these in your box. To charge your GripAble device, simply attach the round magnetic charger to the base of the handset. It's important to charge your devices regularly. Fold your tablet case to support your tablet in a landscape standing up position. Next, turn on your tablet by pressing and holding the small power button located on the top left corner. Once your tablet is on, enter your password when prompted. The password will be in your setup email. You'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network, so to do this, use your finger to swipe up from the bottom of the tablet screen and locate the settings icon. Tap on Connections, then tap on Wi-Fi and search for your preferred network. Select the network, enter your password and tap Connect. Next, return to the home screen by tapping the Home button and launch the GripAble app by tapping on the icon. To turn on your GripAble device, squeeze and hold until it vibrates. Your GripAble device should automatically connect to your tablet. When connected, the blue light will be solid at the top of the device and a connected message will appear on screen. You are now ready to create a personalized GripAble profile. How to create an individual GripAble user profile. Each new user of GripAble Pro will need to create a user profile. To do this, open the app, tap Add User, then select New User. Verify your profile by tapping Continue and enter your mobile number. If a mobile number is unable to be used, tap Skip. Once you've entered your mobile number, tap Next and a verification code will be sent to your phone via SMS. Input the code into the app to verify your profile and account. By using a mobile number, you will be able to reset your PIN code if forgotten and transfer a profile to another tablet. Now enter your username. It can be useful to make sure the username is unique to you and includes the hand you'll be training. For example, R for right hand, followed by initials and a unique number. Once you've entered your username, tap Next to choose a profile picture. Tap Next and enter a unique 6-digit PIN code. This will be the login code to access your profile each time you train. Again, make sure this is something easy to remember. Tap Next now and select your gender. Then enter your date of birth and select your hand dominance. This is not the hand you will train, that comes later. The screen will now say Clinical Categorization. Tap Next, and if you would like to, you can select from the appropriate options for you under Neurological Disorders, MSK or Orthopedic, or other disorders. Tap Next and select the hand you would like to train. If both hands are required, a separate profile needs to be made for your other hand. How to calibrate your GripAble device. The GripAble handset requires calibration before you begin training and using the activities. After setting up your account, the screen will show the 4 movements for calibration. The device should be held with the blue light at the top and in the hand you have chosen to train. Position the device directly in front of the tablet screen. Tap Start to begin calibration. Adopt the seated position as shown in the image, if possible. However, the start position can be adapted to the individual user if this cannot be achieved. It is important to make sure the start position is set and stable before tapping OK to begin. The first measurement is for grip and release. Tap OK to begin. Prompts will appear on the screen. Squeeze the device and watch the timing circle fill up green. Do not let go until the tick appears in the circle. This will indicate the measurement is complete. Now open your hand and this will begin measuring release. Keep your hand open until the tick appears in the circle. Continue alternating between grip and release until all circles are ticked. Once done, tap Next. The next measurements will alternate between pronation and supination. There is no requirement to squeeze the handset, but if pressure is applied, it won't affect the results. Turn your palm down as far as you can and maintain the position until the tick appears in the circle, indicating the measurement is complete. Turn your palm up as far as you can and maintain the position until the tick appears in the circle. Continue alternating between pronation and supination until all circles are ticked. Tap Next. The measurements will now alternate between radial deviation and ulnar deviation. Deviate up as far as you can and maintain the position until the tick appears in the circle, indicating the measurement is complete. Deviate down as far as you can and maintain the position until the tick appears in the circle. Continue alternating between radial and ulnar deviation until all circles are ticked. Tap Next. Lastly, the measurements will alternate between wrist extension and flexion. Extend your wrist up as far as you can and maintain the position until the tick appears in the circle, indicating the measurement is complete. Flex your wrist down as far as you can and maintain the position until the tick appears in the circle. Continue alternating between extension and flexion until all circles are ticked. Once all the required measurements are completed, a summary page offers the chance to retry any measurements again. If you are happy to continue, tap Next and enter the number of days you would like a reminder prompt to recalibrate. Now press Confirm. Choosing your movement and activity for training. After completing your new user profile, select the movement you would like to train and tap OK. All the activities listed will work on the chosen movement. Tap Enter on an activity to view the video explainer. Tap Start and then choose a level. To begin the activity, squeeze and release the handset or tap the screen. Once the activity is completed, you will see your star rating. Tap Next or squeeze the handset to navigate to the next screen, where you will see your feedback on the number of repetitions completed in the activity and the number of minutes trained. If you have a daily goal set for repetitions and minutes, the green outline of the circles will begin filling up to show your progress towards completing the daily goal. Tap Next and you can either choose another level, restart the same one, or tap Next for the next level. Exit Activity will take you back to the activity screen. If you would like to choose a different movement, tap Change Movement to select a different one. Finding your way around the GripAble app menu. When in a user profile, access the main menu by tapping the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. You will be met with a list of tabs which enable you to navigate around the following functions: Activities, Achievements, Assessment, Reports, Grip Tests, Support, and Logout. At any point, you can go back and select a different option by tapping on the three lines again. Activities. To enter the activity carousel, head over to the Activities tab. You can change the movement you want to train by tapping Change Movement on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, tapping the desired movement, and then tapping OK. You can swipe left and right to choose and enter the activity you wish to train. You will be met with a video explainer on how to interact with each activity using your GripAble device. Achievements. To view daily training activity, set daily goals, and view history, head to the Achievements tab. There are 8 pages to explore, including an overview of the current day's training, minutes done per activity, goal setting for minutes and repetitions, and history of training. We will go into more detail for goal setting and history in our Setting Goals and Viewing History video. Assessment. You can reassess and recalibrate your GripAble device by heading over to the Assessment tab. You will have the choice to reassess one movement by tapping Assess under the desired movement, or all movements by tapping Assess All at the bottom of the screen. You can also set reminders to assess in this section of the menu by tapping on the reminder period and entering the number of days required. Tap Save or tap Cancel to go back. Reports. Daily activity reports and grip test reports can be viewed and emailed to yourself or another person, such as your clinician, by heading over to the Reports tab. We will go into more detail for reports in another video. Grip tests. For GripAble's range of grip test assessments, head over to the Grip Tests tab. These assessments are for the use of trained professionals as part of a clinical practice and provide a range of options for assessing grip. Support. To access support and general information from GripAble app, head to the Support tab. Here you will find a number of different topics designed to support the use of the GripAble device, such as frequently asked questions and our GripAble terms and conditions. You can also change the measurement units from kilos to pounds by clicking on the Measurement Units tab. Under GripAble device, you will find some simple instructions for use. You will also find a summary of your profile. Log out. Tapping on this will simply log you out of the individual profile you are signed into, returning you to the user's carousel. Setting goals and viewing history in the GripAble app. To set and update goals, increase or decrease your daily minute or repetition count, head over to the Achievements tab on the menu. To set goals for minutes, tap the arrows at the bottom of the screen to find page 3. Here you can set goals for daily minutes trained. Tap on Set Goal and alter the time by tapping the plus or minus, or simply tapping on the box and entering the number you would like to train using the keypad, and then tapping Confirm. Once the goals have been set, make sure you tap on Save Goal in the top corner. To set goals for repetitions, tap the arrows at the bottom of the screen to find page 4. Here you can set goals for daily repetitions trained in the same way as you set goals for minutes trained. Once goals are set, you will see a circle and percentage measuring progress towards your daily goal once you start training. You can come back at any time to view the daily progress here, but this will also be shown at the end of each activity to give real-time feedback. To view training history, under the Achievements tab in the menu, head over to pages 5, 6, 7 or 8. Each page shows the history of one of the 4 movements. Find the page you wish to explore and tap on the History button in the top right corner. Tap on either minutes or repetitions at the bottom of the screen and you will see progress over 7, 30, 60 or 90 days. Tap on Show Goal on the top right-hand corner and goals set will be plotted onto the graph. If no goal is set, this will show as a line at the bottom of the graph. How users can see and share reports with clinicians remotely. Daily activity reports can be viewed and emailed to another person, such as your clinician, by selecting the Reports tab from the menu. Select Daily Activity Report and the calendar will highlight your training days and your available reports. Simply tap on the required date, tap OK, and the report will open to show a range of metrics. To send a copy of your report to your clinician, tap on the Email Report button and enter the recipient's email address, then tap Send. turning off your GripAble device and GripAble app. Once you have finished using your GripAble device, it is important to log out of your profile. To do this, tap on the 3 lines on the top left of the screen to open the menu and tap on Log Out. Next, it is important to close the app and shut down the device to save battery. To do this, simply use your finger to swipe up from the bottom of the tablet. Tap the 3 vertical lines on the bottom left and tap Close All. This will close all apps. Your GripAble device will remain on until you close the app. Once the app is closed, your GripAble device will flash blue and shut down within 5 to 10 minutes. To turn off your tablet, press and hold the small power button located on the top left-hand corner and tap Power Off. How to use the silicone straps. The 3 silicone straps that arrive with your GripAble can be used to assist with holding the device. These can be configured in a number of ways using the 6 strap hooks on the device and the 12 holes on each strap. The straps have slight stretch in them, so be careful not to pull them too tight. How to pair and unpair a new GripAble device. To pair or unpair a GripAble device from the GripAble app, tap the 3 lines on the top left-hand side of the screen to open the menu and tap Support. To unpair a GripAble device, tap GripAble device and then Unpair GripAble. Then tap OK. This will unpair your device from the GripAble app on this tablet. To pair a new GripAble device, tap Pair New GripAble and then OK when prompted. The GripAble app will scan for a device in range. The device must be on. The serial number of the GripAble devices in range will show on the right side of the screen. You can check if this matches by checking the serial number on the label at the bottom of your device. Tap the correct serial number and the device will now connect. The light at the top of the device will now be solid blue. The device will now auto-connect each time you use the GripAble app on this tablet. Archiving an account you no longer use. Once a user profile is no longer needed, this can be archived from the GripAble app. To do this, sign into the profile. Tap the 3 lines at the top left-hand side of the screen to open the menu and tap Support. Tap on your profile and then Archive. This will archive the profile from your GripAble app and will only be retrievable if the profile was set up with a verified mobile number.